Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dom. Today I've got the pleasure of showing you around this lovely 2014 64 plate Mercedes C220 AMG-Line. Now, we had the pleasure of supplying this vehicle to the previous owner, so we know the car very well. Good customer of ours. Car itself finished in obsidian black metallic, which is one of the best colours. Obviously AMG line gets all the sportier styling, so nice and pronounced front and rear end, nice and flared side skirts, and then we're riding on these lovely 18-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels that have looked like they've been freshly powder coated in a lovely gloss black. Looking down the side of the vehicle, it's in nice order. Obviously, for the age, for the mileage, you will find the odd few scratches, little stone chips, but overall, condition-wise, a nice car. So, looking into the boot, loads of luggage space. We've got split folding rear seats, so they're operated via pull of a lever. You've got a bit of added storage under the boot floor as well. Looking at the boot plinth, that's in nice order. A few minor scratches as to be expected. We've got the C220 badging. Looking down the passenger side, that's all in lovely order as well. Again, alloy wheels, all superb. Fantastic road presence. And then jumping inside, we've got ebony black part perforated leather. So very nice supportive AMG seats. Leather multifunction steering wheel, flat bottom steering wheel. And then just before we jump inside, I'll show you through to the rear seats, and they're in lovely order as well. So, jumping inside as we're doing the video, vehicle has covered 100,632 miles, which is nothing really to one of these. These 2.1 litre diesel engines are absolutely bulletproof. You'll see a lot of these vehicles with 250,000 miles on them. 4 electric windows with the child lock for the rear, automatic lights, wipers are on the other opposite side. We've got cruise control, speed limiter, voice command, volume and media controls. Coming through to the centre, full DAB radio. We've got satellite navigation. We've got internet capability, so you can connect your phone via the Bluetooth, and then it uses the internet that's on your phone, the mobile data. Dual zone climate control, so the passenger can have a different climate to the driver. 6-speed manual transmission. We've got our drive select, parking sensors. Another nice thing, flicking into reverse, and your reversing camera engages. Central armrests. And heated seats as well. So, if you'd like anything further on this car, give us a call, send us an email. Our phone number is 01942 231123, or you can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. Thanks for watching.